IPA Clean Swab is a high-quality, all-purpose swab for the critical cleaning of small and hard-to-reach areas. Class 100 laundered and packaged, the IPA Clean Swab is free of releasable particulates, making it ideal for medical surfaces and cleanroom environments up to ISO Class 4. The product is suitable to use in a variety of applications. The non-abrasive head features an inner layer of foam for absorbency and an outer layer of microdenier for holding contaminants. The handle contains a reservoir of 99.9% isopropyl alcohol and once released is absorbed into the soft paddle head. To operate, gently bend the handle to release the fluid. The solvent will now be absorbed into the soft paddle head. You are now ready to use the IPA Clean Swab to remove lubricants, adhesives, residues, or other contaminants from circuit boards, sensors, or stencils. For more information or to find a distributor, visit aclstaticide.com, email us at info@aclstaticide.com, or call 800-782-8420.